Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Something that came in from DLT Trading. I ordered this yesterday and I was expecting it not until tomorrow, but it came in one day, which is kind of cool. But let's take a look, see what we got. Today I'm opening up with my Andrew Demko 20.5. This is with the Rockscale Design scales and the Lynch deep pocket carry clip and Skiff cage ceramic bearings. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, all right, so we got this little receipt in here. Let's take a look at that. Got some stickers. All right, yep. I'll put the box off to the side here. So DLT Trading Shark Lock, which is very similar to what we're seeing here, right? Let's see what this is. This is Demko. This box looks different. It has a USA on it. Oh, this is the AD20. Let's see what this entails, because I've always been interested in this. I said I'd never get one, but then here we are. All right, so here is the Andrew Demko AD20, USA made, much thicker blade, G10, it's more rounded, I can tell you that. Let's do a flick. Oh wow, that's big. Yeah, definitely fits in there, definitely can choke up. I thought it was going to be way bigger than it is. So let's see, how does the lock work? Okay, that's much more comfortable. Now, I like this one here. Now look at the size of that. This one's much bigger than this one. This one works okay for me because it has a little more cutout here, which is really nice. For the 20.5, the one made in Taiwan, this is a USA made one. So let's see, we got the patent in there, got the shark lock here, got the clip here as well, which is very similar, right? A little bit different. Looks very similar in a lot of ways. So are these T8s as opposed to T6s? I think they are. So my glass is broken. I have a hard time seeing close because I don't have the right reading prescription. So we have the big clip over here as well. There we go. The jimping is pretty nice up on top. This is a shark lock. So let's compare that compared to this one here. All right, so you can definitely see a much larger. So the blade is definitely a little bit bigger. Going to the very tip here, to the very tip here, we're looking about maybe 1/4 inch, 1/3 of an inch, maybe 1/2 inch, right? The handle-wise, we're looking at another 1/2 inch. So you're looking at a knife overall that's about 8 1/3 as opposed to maybe 7 1/2, right? So this is a 7 1/2 one. I did this one with the cutout, so that's a little easier to carry like that. I saw it, I got the notification. They had a titanium one and it was still available. I put it in my box. I couldn't log in, having stupid issues logging in, which never happens. So I missed it. I got sniped out of my cart. Then there was a carbon fiber one, and I thought, well, that's kind of cool. So I put that in the cart, and that one got sniped out of my cart too. And so they had the G10, which I was excited to get, because eventually what I think we'll do is maybe we'll order some custom scales for this. Original Goat, you know, I'm an affiliate with them, and I have a discount code. So I ordered some original Goat scales. They won't be ready till July, so we'll just carry this with the G10. Wasn't sure how it's going to be, but I can tell you right now, this is beautifully rounded all the way around. I like that. That is something I would expect to feel. It feels real solid in hand. It's got some width to it. This lock is very easy to engage and work. That feels really good. I believe this blade seal is 20 CV. Does it say on there anywhere? Yep, there it does. So can you see that? CPM 20 CV right there. So that does work pretty nicely. That's really nice. Yeah. That's cool. So you feel pretty locked in there. It does seem to have a very similar type of clip. I believe it's the same clip. I did order a Lynch clip for this, so we're going to replace that out and get the Lynch clip in. So I'm looking forward to that. That's cool. Yeah, so we're going to get the Lynch clip, and then I'm going to see what size Skiff cage bearings it would take, because I'll probably replace those as well. So we'll probably do that as well. I'm gonna look real quick because I know there's a multi-row. I doubt I have them, but hey, you never know. Maybe I ordered a pair and I didn't realize I still had an extra one, just in case. Because if I do, I'll put them in, right? There'll be a thin, small one for sure. So that's the 20.5. Yeah, I'm gonna guess I don't have them, so I might have to order those. That's a bummer. Oh well. You know, can only hope. Yeah, so I don't have those. I just have the 20.5s, which I guess theoretically I think I have the multi-row in some of the other ones, and I could put that on here and see if that makes a difference as well. So who knows? Maybe we'll do that. I don't know. Let's think about that. Maybe that's something we'll do. If we do, we'll do it pretty quick here. So it is the 19 ball count. Yeah, it's not this one here. So, and this is what, the 1mm. So this is my favorite one, the AD20.5. I have this right here, which is got the original goat scales on here, and I think that would look really nice on here. So I'm going to do that. But kind of curious what that would look like. So, you know, we may just maybe we'll borrow the ones from here and see how that goes. Okay, so let's do that. So I believe these are T8s right here. Well, before I do that, let's check dead nuts centered. Blade ratio, it does lose a little bit. It's got a priority with the lanyard loop. I don't care for that. I don't care about it, honestly. So, you know, could do without that. It's got a good grip though. It feels really good in hand. That's really nice. You can definitely see the difference with the USA version than any of the other ones over there. Full flat grind, which is really nice. So it doesn't have the thumb stud, which I'm okay with. That works okay for me. So, all right, so I'm back. Sorry, I thought somebody was at the door. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. See if we have enough time to do that. So I think that's a T10. Yeah. There's the spring that's going to pop out. Well, that bearing looks a little different to me. That looks a little different. Hold on a second now. First off, that pivot. It's a 1/4 inch pivot, so that's the first thing I noticed. 2mm, 2mm, 1/4 and 2mm. Do I happen to have anything like that? I do not have anything that's a 1/4 and 2mm. That's a much thicker washer. Okay, so that will be a no-go. Now, since I have it open, I will put a little oil in there. Okay, I think I misread that. I must have misread that when I was reading up on these guys. they're all the same. So make sure they're at the same length. Right? Maybe not. So that's a deep pocket carry clip. Oh, you put that on until we get the scales. I like that better, so that it's going to get that. This one over here, we're not going to take anything apart because, well, it's not the same case bearings. So I need to order some thicker ones. I didn't know 2 millimeter. I thought it said 20.5 and 20, but maybe it's the 20 skinny. So maybe that's where I got confused, which very reasonable to do, right? So I could see myself doing that. Oops, that's the wrong one. All right, I have to get the other clip out. I'm going to put that back on. We'll move that off to the side. We'll move that off to the side. Move these off to the side because I can't use any of those right now. We'll have to order some other ones. And so basically, it was an interesting experiment. We'll just call it that. And I'm just going to put this away. But it was an interesting experiment to try to see if that would work. And, well, it didn't. So there we go. Oh, there's my lid over here. Got everything all over the place. All right, very, very cool. Very, very cool. Interesting knife. So this right here is the Andrew Demko 20.5, the USA made one. Very cool. Like I said, I like everything about it. We'll do a full review and talk about it some more. It does feel good in the hand. The action's really nice. It's really easy to engage and work. Taking it apart, I do want to try to get skiffs with this. I do like the deep pocket carry clip. The G10 works really well. The action is phenomenal. So, yeah, very, very cool. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, or just informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, especially who subscribe. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. To all the channel members, thank you. If you've been here since the beginning, came along the way, or just joined recently, I appreciate you. I do a once a month channel member giveaway, my way to say thank you. Also, if you're a brand new member and you haven't contacted me yet, and you're still a member, email me your name and address, and I'll mail you a sticker. And if you're interested, check out the description down below. There's some links from different levels of membership. Love to have you. Don't feel obligated at all, but sure appreciate you. And then if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.